In this video, you will learn how to use LinkedIn to become known as a go-to expert. And I will share with you 3 effective strategies that have worked for me to help me build my LinkedIn presence and my reputation. If you are an emerging leader and you are unsure about how to use LinkedIn to build your brand and your reputation, then this video is definitely for you. Now, I have a free download for you that will definitely interest you. It's about how to become known as a go-to expert. It's available from my website, and I will link to it in the description below for you. And real quick, before we get into the content, the last 2 weeks on YouTube, I've been publishing videos on becoming a go-to expert. So the first one was about why you need to become known as a go-to expert, and the next one was about how to become known as a go-to expert. Those videos are already on this channel, so I will link to them below if you want to check them out once you have finished watching this one. Let's get straight into the tips on how you can use LinkedIn to become known as a go-to expert. Tip number 1 is write articles on LinkedIn. You might be thinking that writing articles for LinkedIn, that sounds like a lot of work, Cara. Well, yes, it is. Writing articles is time consuming, but if you are dedicated to becoming known as a go-to expert in your field, you need to do what 99% of people are not prepared to do. And I can tell you that 99% of people are not prepared to write articles for LinkedIn. Most people don't even post content on LinkedIn. All they have is a static profile. They never post anything, no updates for their community or for their audience. But I know that is not you, because you are dedicated to developing your go-to expert reputation. So I know that writing articles is something you will at least try to do. Writing original articles is the best way to position yourself as a thought leader on LinkedIn, and therefore a go-to expert as well. Why? Because you can unwrap your ideas and your opinions in much more detail in a lengthy article, in much more detail than a LinkedIn post. The LinkedIn article feature allows you to write 125,000 characters in that article, whereas LinkedIn posts only allow you to write 1,300 characters. So there's a massive difference in the amount of information you can share in an article compared to a LinkedIn post. Please note that I'm talking about characters here, not words. So LinkedIn articles, they give you enough room to write an article of about 500 to 800 words. That's about the size of a regular article that you'll find in an online publication or in a magazine. You don't want to write too much because people have short attention spans and they will probably not read the whole article. And also make sure that you use headers throughout the article to break up your text to make it easier for people to read on screen. What do you write about? You need to write articles that will give your audience valuable information related to your area of expertise. Now, in last week's video, I talked about identifying your niche. That was the first step in developing your go-to expert reputation. And that video was all about how to become known as a go-to expert. So I've already talked about identifying your niche in that video. Check it out in the description below. There are 3 things you need to remember when working out what you're going to write about in your LinkedIn article. The first one is, what is important to your niche? The second one is, what are real problems that they're facing? The third one is, are there changes in your industry that they need to know about? Think about these 3 things, and this should give you a number of ideas on what you can write your LinkedIn articles about. Number 2, post videos on LinkedIn. This is a strategy I started to implement early in 2020 when I wanted to use LinkedIn strategically to build my brand and to build my reputation. And I can tell you, if video on LinkedIn has worked for me, it will definitely work for you too. Here are some statistics that might convince you. 54% of senior executives share work-related videos with their colleagues at least weekly. And 59% of senior executives say if information is available via video or text post, they prefer to watch it on video. Video allows your audience to see the more human side of you in a way that you cannot achieve with a text post. You watching this video, you get to know more about who I am and what I'm like. You get to listen to my tone of voice, my intonation, the speed. You get to see my facial expressions and my body language as well. All of these elements help you understand who I am. They help you know, like, and trust me. And it helps me build my reputation as an expert in my field. But most people aren't prepared to do video. They don't want to do video. A lot of the time it's because they are not confident on camera and they don't have the technical expertise for the whole video setup. But it doesn't have to be that difficult. Many people start off filming videos on LinkedIn simply using their phone. That's what I did when I first started doing video on LinkedIn as well. So use your phone, choose an outfit that is professional, choose a setting that looks professional as well, work out what you're going to talk about, do up a little script or bullet point script for the video, and then start filming. If you want to know some tips and tricks on how to look good on camera, I have another YouTube video that I filmed a few months ago. I will link to it in the description below. This one is more about how to look good on camera in regards to webcam, Zoom calls, and Skype calls, but it might also help you when you are filming your LinkedIn videos. Tip 3, comment on other people's posts. This is the most important tip that you can walk away with in this video. And when I say comment on other people's posts, I mean comment, and comment. LinkedIn is a social media platform. LinkedIn wants to know that you are engaging with other people on the platform, that you are networking, that you are having conversations with other people who post things on the LinkedIn platform. If you are somebody who only posts things on LinkedIn and you never engage with other people, you never comment on their posts, you never like their posts, this will only hurt your post engagement because LinkedIn will understand that you are only there to post your content. You are not there to engage with and network with other business people, which in turn will impact your go-to expert reputation and it will not allow it to grow on LinkedIn. So I want to ask you, are you commenting enough on LinkedIn? Now, the test for this is I want you to go to your LinkedIn profile, go to your activity. That is where you can see all of your activity on LinkedIn, your posts, your comments, everything that you do on LinkedIn. Now, if the majority of your activity is about you posting, then there's something wrong. There's something that you need to change because obviously you are not engaging enough with other people. But if the majority of your activity is you commenting on people's posts or you liking people's posts, then well done, a gold star to you because you are using LinkedIn the correct way and you are absolutely going to build your go-to reputation and your LinkedIn presence as well. Now, what do you comment? You're probably asking yourself this question. When you comment, you need to write something valuable, something insightful, and something helpful. I don't want you to comment nice post or great work or something simple like that. It does not help you develop your reputation and it doesn't help you connect with other people on the platform either. So I want you to put some thought into the comments that you write and aim to write at least 2 sentences, if not 3 sentences, in response to that person's post. And don't forget to add your own touch of value. In my experience, when I spend a lot of time commenting on other people's LinkedIn posts, a lot more commenting than I actually post myself, it dramatically increases my LinkedIn followers and my LinkedIn connections as well. So I cannot stress enough the importance of commenting on other people's LinkedIn posts to get LinkedIn to know that you are there for networking. If there's one thing you take away from this video, I want it to be that. Comment on other people's posts. And if you want to know a bit more about how to comment, how to like, how to interact with the LinkedIn platform, I have 2 really helpful videos I will link to in the description below. Watch them. They will absolutely help you out when you're working out how to use LinkedIn to grow your go-to expert reputation. I have mentioned a lot of resources in this video. All of them are linked in the description below, so definitely check them out once you finish this video. Don't forget to download your How to Become a Go-To Expert PDF that's available on my website. That is also linked in the description below. Check out these other videos on the screen before you leave. They will definitely help you out. And I will see you again next week.